This is going to be another glitch. This is going to be, I'd call it a single color, although there's actually going to be two colors involved. This is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. It has been turned inside out since it is going to be ice dyed, and I've already marked the first set of lines to save you all the pain of having to watch that. They are the width of the yardstick. So let's go ahead and start doing this. And I do start my lines just under the armpit. I'm not sure it actually makes any difference on this pattern where you start the lines. And that one does not want to pull out. Okay. Okay, I'll mark off the second set of lines. I'm trying to be better about doing these down the center so that they're even on both sides, and I keep failing. I'm not sure why. This seems like one of those simple things to do. Alright, we'll fold this up. Alrighty, and now the diagonal. I really don't like doing the diagonals on these. They're so chunky. No. Alright. I'm just going to do straight ties across this. Oh, there it is. I thought I lost the end. And nothing fancy. No X's, no honeycombs, nothing like that. Off to dye. I will be using one of the new colors from Dharma, Kaleidoscope Eyes, and Raven Black. Those two colors will be used for this one color dye. I don't count black as a color. So I'm just going to, I don't know, we'll see. I'll go ahead and apply this, and then we'll put some ice on it and let it melt through. This is not an attractive dye if it's not ice dyed. Let me just say that up front. Hope it doesn't fall. I really need to do a second one on the same pan, but I think I'm going to let this melt through first, just so that I don't disturb the ice. Hopefully it doesn't fall. If it does, we'll see what we can do. Alright, let it melt. Ignore this here, And we're going to go ahead and run another round of ice on this, I think. Alright, let that melt through again. Alright, this has melted through. Completely ignore this. It'll be another video. I don't know what order, so I can't tell you if it's going to be before or after. And I'll go ahead and wash my hands, and then we'll start doing Alrighty, we'll let that melt through. Alrighty, it's been 24 hours. Let's go ahead and pull all this off. Now there's going to be quite a bit of white in it, it looks like. I'd planned on putting Raven over it, but then decided let's just see what happens. Some purples, greens, blues. Let's take a quick look. I'll go throw this in the wash and we'll see how much of that dye comes out. Here's the finished glitch. And this did end up being a single color. What was it? Kaleidoscope eyes, I believe. Okay, there's a fair bit of white. I'm okay with it. It works with this design, and I don't know. I prefer this over another one that I did that I'm not sure if I posted or not. It was also a single color. But this is much better because it's not a single color because of the dye from Dharma. Anyway, I don't really have much else to say. I mean, I'm not sure that the Kaleidoscope eyes would work with everything, obviously, but it works for this. I would wear it, which I don't say very often. So what are your thoughts? I am posting the shirt on Etsy. I'm not sure if it'll still be there by the time the video comes out or not. Just depends on timing. If you're interested in it, it is a large, and it may or may not be out there still. Until next time, thanks for watching.